Hey you guys, what is up? Majestic Horse here, and today we are going to be I said BB. But today we're gonna be fixing my mouse, cause earlier today I figured out I broke it, and it was actually like this part. If you can't really see that very well, but it was this part right here broke off, and so you can kind of see the hot glue, like the white stuff. That's all hot glue, cause I had to go hot glue that. But let me just show you 3 parts of this. So on the bottom is this. The bottom. This is where the scroll goes. I gotta try to fit it in there. This is the second layer, and the scroll has to go through here. So let's put that there. And this is just the top, where the scroll goes through there. So we're fixing the scroll, if you didn't already know that. How come it's so, the picture's so clear back here, but up there it's so fuzzy. Yeah, you can kind of see that better. You can see like that little tip right there. The screws, the screwdriver and stuff, I'll take the side. So let's do this. Try to do this, at least. So is it this way? No, missed. Okay, let's go at this again. I don't want to break this back, it's like this back thing either. Oh, did I get it? Oh, I think I got it. Oh, did it break? Oh, broke. Are you kidding me? So guys, I guess I'm getting a new mouse. Yeah, great. I'll keep this on my showcase of broken mouses. This was a really quick video, so I think I'm gonna do like a little vlog thing while I do this, actually. Well, this sucks. Yeah, I don't know what to do. Oh yeah, so we have a new t-shirt, sweatshirt, sweatpants, hoodies, and hats maybe hats. So maybe if you like any of those, just go check out our store, Nonstop Miners or whatever. It's somewhere on the channel art something. As you can tell, I'm very disappointed. And I guess I'm getting a new mouse. So, yeah. Well, thank you guys for watching. This has just been me trying to fix my mouse and failing, of course. Alright, guys. See you guys with my new mouse later.